Hello guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Sheikh Monirul Hasan. Today I'm going to show you a process how to change Facebook page or profile name and username. Many people are facing the same problem to changing their Facebook profile and page name. How can we do it and how can we edit page or profile name and username? Now I'm going to show you the way the process. Go to your Facebook page or profile. The way is same for page and profile both. And click and at the top right side of your Facebook page or profile, just click on the profile picture or your page picture here, and you can see many options there. Just click on the setting and privacy option, and click on the settings option, and then it will take some time and show you the window where you can edit everything. This is the window, general page settings. Now you can see here the name and username. Just we can easily edit the name and username here. Just click on the edit option and put the name or edit the name on there, replace the current one and review change. It will be changed permanently. Okay, and for the username, just click on the edit and same way just put your selected username here with and replace this current one and save change. That's it, is the simple way to change your Facebook page or profile name and username. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and Facebook, like and follow my Facebook page. Thank you so much. Bye bye.